How to change small letters to capital letters in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. As you can see, I have months in small letters, so I'll simply type in equal sign and then type in upper open bracket. After opening bracket, press on the cell where there is small letter. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Close the bracket and then press on enter. As you can see, it is in uppercase. To do this with all the letters, simply drag down and you'll find all your small letters changed into capital letters. But if you change it in the small letter section, uppercase section will also change. So to stop that, simply select the cell, which is the uppercase, and then press on Ctrl+C on your keyboard. After you have done that, click on Paste located at top. You will find Paste Values with 1 to 3. Simply click on it and then you're good to go. Even if you change the first cell, the capital letter cells will be changed. And this is how to change small letters to capital letters in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.